take it all.
Ni hao, China.
Roman Chu's Soundrush. And welcome to a brand new episode of the World of Q-Dance here in China, Foshan. Today we will show you a little bit about the culture of this beautiful country. We are going to eat something special, doing funny things with a karaoke. Yeah, and ask people things about hardstyle. Stay tuned, here we go. I think the best way to start this episode is sniffing a little bit about the culture. Yeah, let's go. Can you feel it? Very nice. So at the moment we are walking on the streets of Foshan, and the moment is there because what are we going to do? We will show some people our music, and of course they will like it. So we will put hardstyle music on, and let's see what his reaction is.
Is our destiny.
It's our music. It's from us. Good.
Really good.
You love hardstyle?
Yeah.
Show them. That's true dedication. What is your favorite Soundrush track?
Take it off. You gotta take it off.
You gotta take it away. We will put the track on, yeah? We can take it off and read something incredible. I know that we can take it off.
Ready to take it on.
Martijn, it's about time to eat something different as usual. That's right. Let's try the traditional food. Yes, let's go. So the moment is there. We are very hungry. Before we are starting, can you tell us what is on the table? Of course, Martijn. Goose stomach, frog, cow stomach. It really looks delicious, so let's start. So cheers on the cow stomach. Cow stomach, here we go. So at this moment we are coming to the grand final of the Chinese traditional food. The brains of a pig. Hopefully our English will be better after we eat the brains. Yummy, 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 yummy. I'm talking very good English right here, right now. Can you hear it? I'm becoming smarter. We did it, man. We did it. We did it. There was always something that you wanted to do. To find Pikachu. Yeah. Ah! Team China needs to help us. Holy shit.
Yes.
Hey, 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 hey!
Pikachu?
Thank you.
TV show?
Yes.
Oh, which channel?
Like Boom 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 TV.
Boom 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 TV.
Boom 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 TV.
Boom Boom TV. Oh, I search.
Can't believe what is happening. We are inside the Sound of Q-Dance, backstage in our own dressing room. And what do we find here? We have our own special karaoke. We have Pikachu, but where's Pikachu? Pikachu, Pikachu, where you at? Pokemon, gotta get them all! Hey! Pokeball! We just signed Pikachu. Tonight at the Sound of Q-Dance, we know that Atmosphere, Sub-Zero Project and DJ Isaac and Villain are here, so they need to sign as well. Especially for you, you can win this. We just finished our set at the Sound of Q-Dance for China. And it was fucking amazing, right? No words, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. 谢谢。